Want your Mac to auto-delete trash after 30 days? I will show you how quickly. Step 1. Click your desktop to make Finder active, then look at the menu bar. Click Finder in the top left, then select Preferences or Settings from the drop-down menu. In Preferences, switch to the Advanced tab to see System Cleanup options. Locate Remove items from the trash after 30 days, this is the one to enable. Check that box to turn on automatic deletion, it saves immediately. Close the Preferences window and your Mac will now auto-remove old trash items. Optional method, open the Apple menu, choose About this Mac, then click Storage, Manage. Under Recommendations, find and toggle Empty Trash automatically for similar cleanup behavior. Both methods free space by deleting items older than 30 days without reminders. Recap: Finder Preferences, Advanced tab, check the 30-day option, or use Storage Manage. Subscribe for more clear Mac tips, and hit the bell to never miss an update.